Hey, thanks for looking at our website. My name is Paul Conover. I've been making reels since 1963, fly reels. I've made Finors, Old Florida, Nautilus. Now I've come out with a new reel called the Old Mariner. What makes this reel unique is that frame. It's built like a trolling reel. Strong, no spool flex, no drag flex, no bearing wearing on one side, none of that stuff. Most and all of the other reels that are on the market are only supported on one side. There's an arbor that comes on the inside about halfway through that spool right there, and it allows us to flex. When line comes on or off, it goes back and forth, causes the spool to wobble. It'll wear a weak spot in your drag. It'll also wear out your bearings. This stops that. There is no more spool flex. There's a one-piece reel foot. The reel foot is one piece. It's not screwed on, screwed from the sides, but the reel foot itself is part of the frame. It's also low profile. That allows you to keep the reel up close to the handle, which guys with small hands like me, they like to be able to get a hold of that line. It's hard to get the line sometimes. If you have a reel that's sitting up on a pylon, it will also do this. It'll rock back and forth. So that eliminates that. Eliminates anything for the reel foot can't come apart. The drag in this reel is totally sealed, 100%. You can drop it in the water. If you didn't have any line on the Bonefish Supreme, if you didn't have a line on there, it may float because the area on the inside is completely sealed. We have 4 different sizes of reels, from the 8 weight, 3 3/4 inches in diameter, to the big 12 plus, which is 5 1/4 inches in diameter. That's spool diameter. When I say diameters, I'm talking about the spool diameter, not the housing diameter. The big reel, 5 1/4, picks up 16.5 inches of line per rev. Every time you turn this handle, you're picking up 16.5 inches of line. That's important if you're fighting a fish and he's running towards you. If you have extra line out that you just hooked a fish with, the fastest way to clear that line is if you have a spool that'll pick it up fast. By spinning this thing a couple times, you pick up 3 feet of line, just like that. So it is very important when fighting a fish to be able to clear your line as fast as possible. I've caught many tarpon in my lifetime, and when they're initially hooked, you don't know where they're going to go. Also, the other reason that's good about these reels, they're built like this for the strength. You can lock them down, you can fight a fish, you can get them to the boat real quick. A tarpon will fight to the death. You want to get him to the boat as fast as possible. These reels will help you do that. Warranty is 100%. Lifetime. Doesn't matter who owns the reel, we fix it. We don't do it to the original owner, it's to anybody that owns the reel. If you have a problem with the reel, you contact us. We'll either fix, repair it, or give you another reel. We don't play a game when it comes to warranties. You can reach me, the number that you're seeing on the screen, that's 24/7, anytime. Thank you for watching.